Children, in my earlier videos you must have been watching the explanation of the division of monomial by a monomial. Okay? But today in this video I am going to explain how we can divide polynomial by a polynomial. Okay? So here I am going to tell you how we can divide the algebraic expression containing more than one term or two terms. Okay, so let's see. Okay, I am here with an example 7x square plus 14x, which is divided by x plus 2. Okay, so it is a polynomial having more than one term. Okay, so how we can divide 7x square plus 14x by x plus 2. It is a binomial having more than one term. Okay, it contains two terms, that's why it is a binomial. Okay, so how we can divide it? Okay, so let's see. There is nothing to worry about. It's so simple. See, first we will factorize the dividend. डिविडेंड मतलब जिसको हमको डिवाइड करना है. ओके, अगर हम इसको फैक्टराइज कर सकते हैं तो पहले हमको इसको फैक्टराइज करना है. कैसे करेंगे? लेट्स सी. 7x square plus 14 can be written as 2 into 7x upon x plus 2. Okay children, now see what all things we can take as common. Here 7 is common, here also 7 is there, so we can take 7 as common. Here 2x is there, 1x is here, so at least 1x can be taken as common. Okay, then we are left with the 7 is out here as common factor. X out of 2x we can take 1x, we have taken 1x as common, so we are left with 1x plus 2 because this 7x is taken as common upon x plus 2. Okay, now this x plus 2 and this x plus 2 will get cancelled. Okay, why? You can apply the laws of exponent here. Okay, why? When the base are same and there is the operation of division, then the powers get subtracted. So here 1 minus 1, 0, and any base which is having 0 as the power, we get 1. Okay, so 7x into 1 is 7x. Okay, और simply अगर इतना आपको नहीं समझना है तो आप simply these are the like terms and you can cancel them. Okay, so we get 7x as the answer. This is the way we have to divide. Okay children? So children, if you are fine with this explanation that how to divide this algebraic expression, then kindly subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.